Alrighty, so hooking up to the Everlast. Let's go ahead and toss one of those puppies up here. Good old Everlast. Let's talk about connecting into the Everlast. So I can go ahead and we have ways to just solder these pins on, but let's go ahead and talk about where we're connecting to. Look at that CNC. So ports 1 and 2 over at the top, those are our start buttons, but those also connect to the P port on the plasma cutter. I'm sorry, the P port on the plasma control box that we have over there. And that goes into ports 1 and 2. Now what we're gonna do is hook up into 5 and 7. You'll see 5 and 7 are raw arc voltage, and that's gonna actually change the way that we hook up into our THC. Let's go ahead and walk over to our THC for a second and look at the inputs. On our inputs, let's take a look at that. On our inputs, we have negative and positive over there on the far outside. So we got one there and one there. What we're gonna do is we're gonna substitute those two and put them on the outside. The reason we do that is because the outside is meant for raw arc voltage. So when we're hooking up our Everlast, I wanna make sure that we hook up the 5 and 7 to those 2 points on the THC. And of course, we're gonna make sure that those pins, these in particular, line up with the arc voltage coming off of that Everlast. So that's how we approach connecting up the THC. There is, of course, I believe it's 4 and 6, which are pins for divided arc voltage, but Everlast's measurements are definitely different or off from the system. So let's go ahead and move from there.